How are you spray now? Come back.
What's up, AC gang? It's the girl Abby here, and as you can see by the title, guys, you know your girl come back again with another prank. As you can see by the title, I'll be doing that. Fart spray prank and careful. So my best friend Crystal got this from me. Big up yourself, Crystal. Yeah, and people start spam the comment section with Team Abby because they know your girl always come back with a prank them. Come back with a prank them. So guys, right now, careful downstairs. I'm gonna talk with them cousin. So the plan is to set up the camera. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'll call him up here and then ask him for something or ask him for look on something, you know, and then I done spray this and then see him reaction. So no further talking, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Comment team, I'll be down below. Subscribe to our comedy channel, I'll be on Kepa Comedy TV. Follow us on Instagram, me, I'll be at us, Kepa, I am Cappuccino, and I joined Instagram, I'll be underscore Kepa. Add us on Snapchat, guys, I'll be on careful. Yeah, we'll still be active on them Snapchat thing, you know, we're just, you know. No further talking, let's flick into the video. So guys, we are go outside, I'm calling, and now go outside and call him up here and try to show him something, right? So, stay. Yapo! 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 Come here. I'll show you something. Foolishness. Yeah, foolishness. You can't wait. You have to wait about this.
I think my life, you get me?
What about your life?
My life is a life.
I told me I want to wait today. Come in there and you just dance. And you want me to tell you something, my belly and my man, I'm not feeling good.
That's not a problem. That's not a big problem.
So what are we going to do today? What are we going to do?
I'm going to get a pill or a hundred. Bread.
You
Give
can't
bread, I eat this man and tea. What problem? What do you want?
Pastor, show you for me what this is.
I'll go buy some food or road or something.
Pastor, show you for me what this is.
What you come here for?
No, I can't never talk to you.
But what?
Just Pastor, show you for me that.
No, what you want to talk to me about? Last time you come to talk to me about the body by the way. You want to talk to me about?
Just pass the shirt for me, please.
I don't want to talk about.
When you pass the shirt, I'm going to tell you what we want to talk about.
Be careful, please. Be a child, she will play.
Sure. We just have fat for man.
Bumbo clad.
Fat man.
Bumbo clad.
Fat for man.
Bumbo clad. Yo, bumbo clad man. I'll be waiting.
Oh, I'm tell you something, I'm fat man. In.
Yo, come to the room. Get some thing up fucking place now. Yo, you don't smell that? You make mom for me to rest. You don't smell that a bit?
Yeah, but I might put me used to it.
You're a nasty motherfucker. You got things that make joke.
Yeah,
Yo,
yeah,
yo, you part of thing. Come here. You don't fucking tell people after tell people. Go somewhere. Come there, old man. Yeah, come on, what am I going to do?
I don't want to find the family. I still going to do but now come and just poop alone at home.
Come on to the room. Fucking nasty man.
I'm poop alone at home.
Mike, come to the room, man. You think I'm fucking up much? Wash it up, go and wash it, let's put it. Go and wash that, man. Go and wash it, go and wash it, go and wash it. I'm ready. Come back in your ass, stink the pussy clad. Hey! Come back. Yo, why into the room?
Yo, put the door. Put the door.
How are you afraid now? Don't bust. Yo, how are you afraid now? Yo, Miller, you know? Yo, stop. Pull the door, please, pull the door. Yo, just think about us, you know? Jesus Christ. Abby, give me the key. Lord. Yo, stop, Abby, stop, please.
Yo, come back here. I'm gonna put it.
Yo! Pull the door here, man. Yo, pull the door. Pull the door. Pull the door, dog. Yo, no, think you're dog. Yo, you're too pumped up that man. What is man? Pussy cat. Abby, are you ready that man? Yo, that's that thing in there.
Can't put me up in the room.
Did that been a long time?
Yeah.
Okay, yo. You should keep on doing it.
No, keep on vomit now. What the door? Yeah.
Oh. Yo.
Yo,
Think your place in the brother.
what kind of stinks it down?
Team, I'm guys.
If you feel, hold on now. Hold on, spray on.
Yeah, with me. I'm like, I'm down the
Yo, that's.
Where is it there?
Where there?
Where is it? Where is it? Are you the egg?
Guys,
Fart.
if you enjoy our prank, start comment for the comment section with Team Abby. What glad it's sticking for.
Don't let me get it. Don't let me
I'm step reach like fourth step. I say, I can't have this thing so. Left your one, I'm coming, I'm take the rest up. I say, what the fuck? Oh, yeah, no. I'm saying, frightening that is I was pretty where I'm just boom, boom. See me close down, you see that like a skunk, brother. I say, what the fuck?
Crystal Green. So guys, if you enjoyed our prank, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Comment to you Abby down below because as I said, your girls coming back with a prank. But not only catch one person, but catch two. Keep on them idiot cousin. One of them fool, you see? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abby Akefa Comedy TV. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram, guys. Until then, bye.
Similar friend.